Ready to learn more about the residential cleaning business side hustle? Let's get started. A home-based cleaning business is one of the easiest services to do as a side hustle because it can be started on a shoestring budget. The service you provide is also self-explanatory. People are going to pay you to clean something. It all sounds so simple, right? Well, it is simple to a degree. Remember, this is a business you'll be running, and there are things you should know before jumping into it. Step 1. Test it out first. Cleaning your own home and cleaning for other people are two different things. Professional cleaning is rigorous physical work. Before moving ahead with your cleaning service, you should offer to clean the homes of people you know for free. This may be the homes of family, friends, or coworkers. Decide what rooms you want to clean and come to an agreement about when you will do the cleaning. Show up on time and put your full effort into this test cleaning. Approach this task with the mindset of a professional. After the first 1 or 2 cleaning jobs, you should know whether you are cut out to run a cleaning service part-time. Since you are working for yourself, you are going to be doing all of the cleaning. Can you handle doing this kind of work weekly? Be honest with yourself. Step 2. You've decided to move ahead with your cleaning business, and now it's time to do some serious research. What are you researching? Your competition. Most likely, there are cleaning businesses offering residential cleaning in your local area. Find them by doing an online search and by checking social media. Cleaning services that have a website page and/or Facebook page can provide you with basic details about the services they offer. You can even contact them and pretend to be a prospective customer to find out what they charge if their rates are not posted online. Step 3. Now that you know what the competition is doing, it's time to decide what kind of cleaning services you are going to offer. Create a house cleaning checklist. Common professional cleaning tasks include dusting high and low areas, dusting windows, window sills and ledges, sweeping floors, mopping floors, vacuuming carpets and floors, cleaning door handles, cleaning light fixtures, wiping kitchen countertops and kitchen cabinets, cleaning the outside of kitchen appliances, cleaning the interior of the microwave, emptying the trash, cleaning the bathroom sink, cleaning the bathroom tub and shower, cleaning and disinfecting the toilet and toilet bowl. Add-on services for extra cost can be tasks like washing dishes, changing bed linen, and making beds. If clients want more customized cleaning services on top of the basic items, you can offer this as a premium service and charge accordingly. Step 4. Offer a specialty. The best way to stand out from your competitors is to specialize in some aspect of cleaning. One way to offer more uniqueness is to clean with eco-friendly products and cleaning supplies. If you are particularly good at cleaning grout or collectible items, or you are a whiz at removing stains, let your clients know. Step 5. Price your services. There are 3 ways you can go for your pricing structure. You can charge by the room, by the hour, or a flat fee. If you charge by the room, you can set different prices for each room type. For example, you can charge $90 for a living room, $45 for a bedroom, $55 for a bathroom, and $100 for a kitchen. If you charge by the hour, consider the time it takes to clean each room. The average hourly rate ranges between $25 to $50 per hour. The flat fee is the simplest pricing structure. Everything you clean and every room is included for one flat rate. The upside of the flat rate is that the client knows exactly what they are going to pay, which avoids clients haggling over your itemized prices. The downside is that you get paid the same for every job, regardless of time, effort, and hassles. Choose the pricing structure that you feel is right for the way you want to run your business. Step 6. Get liability insurance. You are going to be working in people's homes, and that means you may be liable for any damages that happen when you're on the job, whether you're responsible or not. Affordable liability insurance is available for small businesses, and it can cover expenses should a client want to file a damage claim. Step 7. Market your residential cleaning business. Get the word out by distributing flyers in the area you wish to work in. Keep in mind that you are going to have to commute to these cleaning jobs by car or by using public transportation. Consider how far you are willing to travel before you distribute your flyers. Print business cards up and give them to people you know. Create a Facebook page or website to promote your business. Step 8. Be the best cleaner you can be on every job. Providing high-quality service to your clients can help your business grow quickly. Step 9. Boost your business. Ask clients who are happy with your service for written testimonials. They can send these to you by email or text. Remember to ask them for permission to use their testimonial on your marketing materials, including your website. Encourage your clients to refer others to your business by giving them a 10% or 15% discount for every person they refer to you who schedules a cleaning job. They only get the discount if their referral pays you. Tip: don't offer any cleaning service that requires renting expensive equipment. Carpet cleaning machines and power washing equipment can cut into your profits, and you may run into unexpected problems. Keep things simple and focus on being the best at what you can do right now. This information can be used anytime you're ready to start a successful side hustle. If you want more information like this, hit the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel.